Living in a small home doesn't mean you have to live with clutter, compromise on style, or feel limited by square footage. In fact, small spaces can be some of the most beautiful, functional, and creative environments when designed thoughtfully. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where smart design meets natural warmth, and every inch of your home works harder and looks better. If you've ever struggled with limited storage, crowded rooms, or furniture that feels too bulky for your space, this video is for you. Whether you live in a tiny apartment, a compact house, a studio, or simply want to make better use of your existing rooms, you're about to discover how wooden furniture can completely transform the way your home feels and functions. Wood brings timeless beauty, durability, and versatility, and when combined with clever design, it becomes the ultimate solution for small space living. In this video, we explore creative and practical wood furniture ideas designed specifically to maximize space without sacrificing style. You'll see multifunctional pieces that serve 2 or even 3 purposes, hidden storage compartments that keep clutter out of sight, vertical storage solutions that take advantage of wall space, and compact designs that fit perfectly into tight corners. From smart wooden beds with built-in drawers to foldable desks, wall-mounted shelves, storage benches, and expandable tables, each idea is carefully selected to inspire and empower you. But this isn't just about furniture, it's about changing how you think about space. Small homes require intentional design. Instead of filling rooms with oversized items, we focus on strategic pieces that create openness, improve organization, and enhance comfort. You'll also discover simple yet genius storage hacks that are budget-friendly and even DIY-friendly, perfect for anyone who loves working with wood or repurposing materials. Throughout the video, you can expect detailed inspiration, practical concepts you can adapt to your own home, and styling tips to keep your space feeling light, warm, and inviting. Whether your style leans toward modern minimalism, rustic charm, or Scandinavian simplicity, these ideas will help you create a home that feels bigger, brighter, and more functional. If you're ready to turn your small space into a smart, stylish sanctuary, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch until the end for some of the most creative and unexpected storage solutions that could completely change how you organize your home. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our daily wood furniture and decor inspiration. Your support helps us continue sharing creative, practical ideas that make home design accessible and inspiring for everyone. Let's dive in and discover how small spaces can make a big impact with the right wooden furniture and genius storage hacks. Small homes have a unique charm. They feel intimate, cozy, and personal. But without smart planning, they can quickly feel cramped and overwhelming. That's why space-saving wood furniture is such a powerful solution. Wood is timeless, durable, and incredibly versatile, making it perfect for creating pieces that are both functional and beautiful. In this video, we explore how thoughtful wooden designs can completely transform compact living spaces into organized, stylish, and comfortable homes. One of the most effective ways to maximize a small home is by choosing multifunctional wooden furniture. Instead of filling a room with separate pieces for sleeping, storage, and work, you can invest in designs that combine these purposes. Imagine a wooden bed frame with built-in drawers underneath. This simple upgrade eliminates the need for a bulky dresser and keeps clothing neatly stored out of sight. The natural texture of wood also adds warmth, preventing the room from feeling sterile or overcrowded. Another powerful strategy is using vertical space. Many small homes have limited floor area, but plenty of unused wall height. Tall wooden shelving units, wall-mounted cabinets, and floating shelves can dramatically increase storage without taking up precious square footage. Vertical wooden storage not only organizes your belongings, but also draws the eye upward, creating the illusion of a taller, more spacious room. When styled carefully with plants, books, and minimal decor, these shelves become both practical and decorative. Foldable and expandable wooden furniture is another game changer. A wall-mounted wooden desk that folds down when needed can instantly create a home office in a tiny apartment. When you're finished working, it folds back up, freeing the space for other activities. Similarly, extendable wooden dining tables can remain compact for daily use and expand when guests arrive. This flexibility allows small homes to adapt to different needs without feeling crowded. Hidden storage is where genius truly meets design. Wooden benches with lift-up lids, coffee tables with concealed compartments, and ottomans with internal storage can hide everyday clutter while maintaining a clean and minimalist appearance. These clever solutions keep items like blankets, magazines, and electronics accessible yet out of sight. The result is a calm and organized living space that feels far larger than it actually is. Corners are often overlooked in small homes, but they hold incredible potential. Custom wooden corner shelves or triangular cabinets can turn awkward spaces into valuable storage areas. A corner desk crafted from wood can create a compact yet comfortable workspace. Even corner seating with built-in storage underneath can provide both comfort and functionality without wasting an inch. Understair areas are another opportunity for creative woodwork. Instead of leaving that space empty or messy, built-in wooden drawers or cabinets can transform it into a hidden storage hub. This approach works especially well in duplex apartments or small houses where every bit of storage matters. The seamless look of built-in wooden cabinetry also adds a polished and intentional feel to the home. For bedrooms in small homes, wooden loft beds are an excellent solution. By elevating the bed, you free up the space below for a desk, wardrobe, or reading nook. This design is particularly effective in studio apartments, where one room serves multiple functions. The structure of a wooden loft bed adds architectural interest while maximizing usable space. Entryways, no matter how small, can benefit from smart wooden storage. A slim wooden console with drawers provides a place for keys and essentials. A narrow storage bench offers seating while hiding shoes inside. Wall-mounted wooden hooks and shelves keep coats and bags organized without overwhelming the area. These simple additions make a small home feel structured and welcoming from the moment you walk in. In the kitchen, compact wooden organizers can make a dramatic difference. Vertical spice racks, pull-out pantry shelves, and stackable wooden crates create order in tight cabinets. Even a small wooden island with wheels can provide additional prep space and storage while remaining movable when needed. The warmth of wood balances the hard surfaces typically found in kitchens, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Bathrooms also benefit from space-saving wooden designs. Over-the-toilet shelving units, slim wooden cabinets, and wall-mounted organizers help store towels and toiletries efficiently. Choosing light-toned wood can keep the space feeling open and airy, while darker finishes can add richness and contrast. Sustainability is another advantage of choosing wood furniture for small homes. Well-crafted wooden pieces are durable and long-lasting, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Reclaimed or recycled wood options add character and tell a story, while also being environmentally conscious. Small space living often goes hand in hand with mindful consumption, and wood furniture aligns beautifully with that philosophy. Styling plays a crucial role in making space-saving furniture feel intentional rather than cramped. Keeping color palettes neutral, allowing natural light to flow, and avoiding overcrowding surfaces all help maintain balance. By selecting smart wooden designs that combine storage, flexibility, and style, you can create a home that feels open, organized, and comfortable regardless of its size. As we've seen throughout this video, the key to transforming a small home isn't about having more space, it's about using the space you have wisely. With creative wood furniture ideas and genius storage hacks, even the tiniest rooms can feel functional and beautiful. If you found inspiration in these ideas, imagine what you can create in your own home. Small changes can make a big impact. Start with one smart piece, one clever storage solution, and build from there. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this creative journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily inspiration on wood furniture, upcycling projects, and smart home decor ideas. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Together, let's continue transforming small spaces into stunning, functional homes filled with warmth and creativity.